face Ibrahimovic. Absolutely brilliant. To Pastore, he went to basics and placed it brilliantly. And Paris Saint-Germain are ahead. Ibrahimovic. The goalkeeper has dropped it and it's in by Ibrahimovic.
Could have slipped it through for Edison Cavani. He can make it through, and he's done it. Martial!
Pastore. Oh, coming in here to save, and Ibrahimovic follows up. Is Di Maria with the initial attempt.
Ibrahimovic, and Paris have their goal. Ibrahimovic, and that is that.
Do you like suffocating me? All this tension in between has got me craving sweet release. So let me go, so let me leave. You pull me up, won't you please release me? You pull me up, won't you please release me? You pull me up, won't you please release me? Release me, release me.
Ibrahimovic scores.
Please release me.
Can he do it this time? He does. The retake is not a problem.
That's a decent reverse ball. Ibrahimovic is onside. Can he beat Yela? Now he can. He makes up for the penalty miss and scores his 7th goal in 7 qualifying matches.